Welcome to my presentation of my EduKit e-commerce website, where my e-commerce website is for sending and subscribing for e-commerce kits for students of classes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also for 10, 11, 12. But for now, we will be looking at class 4 to class 9. Now what this website is for, what the basic idea of this website is that it is giving practical experience to today's children in school, because nowadays learning is mostly theoretical and there is very less emphasis on practical. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to give practical education to children of class 4 to 9. So basically what happens is the children get a subscription, or also they can buy an individual kit as per their preference. Now the kit is received, and now you can start following the instructions and building the final product which is the child is supposed to build. And finally there will be a progress report where the child can see their progress. Now it's designed for CBSE students, class 4 to 7, also class to 9. So mathematics, computer science, robotics and science are the topics that will be covered here in these kits, which the child will get to work upon. So these are the frequently asked questions, which if you have any doubt you can look at these. So basically, now if you want to start learning, you will have to sign in. So you can create an account. So a dummy account, doesn't matter. So you can set a password. So here you can click join. So after that you have created an account, and now you have access to subscribe. Now if you go back to the front page and click start exploring what you can buy, you are presented with this screen where you can see multiple subscription plans. So as you can see, you can choose to subscribe yearly or monthly as per your desire. And these are the kits where you can look at the different things that are provided to your children. So what is happening here is you can filter between whichever class your child is in, and based on that your subscription will start. Now if you in case you want to pursue individual kits, because maybe your child might be more interested in having practical experience in one topic rather than the other, so these are the individual kits. And why you should choose EduKit is because we quality materials, track progress and designed by experts. So if you look at this, you are presented with these kits which you can get. So let me go to the most basic one, which is the youngest class. So if you click here, you can get more info on what your child is going to get. So this is what you're going to get, or you can look at this drop down and you can see what we provide. So it's already, we are at class 4, so you can see what these are the topics which class 4 will they will be learning, usually in CBSE. So there are different ages, class 5, class 6 and so on. So looking at class 4, now if you're interested you can just subscribe, and then you can look through examples of kits. So these are what will be provided in kits. So these are what we can get. Mathematics. So these are an example of what the kits will be. Now, now you can either choose a subscription plan, which will be a monthly paid plan, or you can choose yearly as well. But you will be getting a kit every month, and these are everything that you will get. So basically, now let's say you want to get a kit. So let's go with the science kit. Now the science kit, you are presented with this screen where you can look at product information. Customer reviews is just a placeholder for reviews in the future, and these are the benefits of shipping and returns. Now if you click add to cart, you get a cart where you are shown everything, and now this is a summary of the checkout. Now you go to the checkout and you can place your order. So if you continue, so you can go for standard shipping or express shipping, and then continue again, and then you can complete the payment. So you have completed the payment successfully, and now you will be getting your kit at a particular date. Now as you have noticed, when I was signed out, uh, this section was not visible. So now after signing in, you are we assume right now, as of now, you are a member in this trial. So here, now that your child has completed building it, now your child can enter the kit name, and then you can enter an age, let's say 8 or 9 hours, let's say 5 hours, minutes, let's say 8 minutes. Now this is the help level. So let's say the child did not need help and is a beginner, and what did the child, so these are optional. So submit. Now your project will be evaluated, and you can view the final report here. So this is so as per your performance, you have been awarded 80 out of 100. So this is just a basic calculation and visualization. So we will implement more advanced features in the future. So this is done. So this is the education part. This part this part will come in the future. Now what I want to show is the backend database, not database, the backend where you can manage the orders and the products and everything. So right now, if I refresh this page, you can see the latest order was being made right now by John D, which is an account I created right now, and you can see the entire details of what order was made. So as you can see, it's the 4th grade science kit. Everything, all the details are here, shown here in a very good manner. So which you can, which looks very good to the eye, and everything is right in front of you. So here you can see the products. So these are just dummy products. This is the product which we have ordered. So this is the inventory. So customers, so this so these are the customers who have registered. So basically this is what the customer has kept his name as, and his email ID. You can also look at the metadata. So these are everything else. So you can delete it, you can check out the order again, and that's about it. So these are the settings which I can use to configure every store or location. taxes, shipping, and everything. And that's about it. Thank you for watching my demonstration for my website, and I'd like to thank Signimus Technologies for providing me the opportunity to build this project and present it to you. Thank you.